How to delete friends on Snapchat. This tutorial shows you how to remove someone directly from a chat without unfriending them from the app's main friends list first. First, open the Snapchat app on your Android device. From there, tap the Chat tab at the bottom of the screen. After that, find and open the conversation with the friend you want to remove. At this point, tap on their name at the top of the chat. Following this, long press on their Bitmoji or name near the top of their profile. From here, tap Manage Friendship from the menu that appears. At this stage, tap Remove Friend. Following this, a confirmation pop-up will appear. From here, tap Confirm to complete the removal. Once removed, you'll no longer see each other's Snap Score updates or appear on each other's friends list. Keep in mind, removing someone this way doesn't block them, so they can still view your public content if your settings allow it, and they're able to send you a new friend request again in the future. That's how you delete friends on Snapchat. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one. Catch you then.